Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fabulously. So you're probably wondering what on earth is on my head. This is quite possibly one of the best cooling gel eye masks I have ever used. It's from Bobbi Brown. It's part of their Primed for Winter collection, and you need to get it before it sells out because there is a huge saving in buying it as is in this kit. So this is best placed in the fridge, and what you want to do is when you take it out, place it on and leave it on your eyes, whether you're in the bath or whether you're just lying in bed, and leave it over your eyes for like, you know, 20 minutes or so. And what that's really going to do is it's going to help to depuff your eyes. God, I'm finding it hard to focus now. What it's going to do is it's going to help to depuff your eyes. It's going to give your eyes a really lovely cooling effect. So if you're already going on work parties, you're gearing up for your Christmas parties, and you want to know a really, really good fix to keep your eyes really, really cool the morning after, this is a really, really good one, but you've got to make sure you keep it in the fridge. So what do you get inside this box? You get a full-size vitamin enriched face base, which I will tell you about in a minute, and you also get a full-size vitamin enriched eye base, and with it you get this lovely eye mask as well. So why have they put this whole combination together? Coming into the winter, our skin can get really, really parched, our under eyes can get really, really parched, and we can just start looking a little bit puffy. The reason being is that we're having a lack of vitamin D. We are probably partying more coming into the Christmas season, and quite frankly, I don't know about you, but coming into the winter, I'm more on comfort foods. So I may not be getting the right foods inside me, which then reflects through my skin. So it's really important to ensure in the winter that if you're having a bit of a blip on your diet, that you ensure that your skincare is kind of compensating by really drip feeding you. If you follow me on my Instagram, there is a link that is coming up here, at Philippa Louise Makeup. You'll probably see that I adore using this vitamin enriched face base. And the reason being, I have tried so many different moisturizers. I mean, Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream, which you all know I love. I've tried Embryolisse. I've tried, I've tried loads of them. What I find amazing about this one, I'll show you in here, is that A, it smells heavenly, but B, it is so rich and silky and smooth like butter. And pop that all on here, on your hand. Well, obviously you put it on your face, but I'm just showing you can use it as a hand cream if you want to, but it's quite luxurious. And it just gives the skin just a really, really nice sheen. And it drip feeds the skin as well because of the sheer butter that goes through that product. I'm just having a look on here as well. The reason I also like the face base is that it acts as a primer for your skin. So not only is it going to be moisturizing your skin, it's also going to be priming your skin. So you don't need to really worry about putting an additional primer on top. I do if I'm doing bridal makeup, because I need those layers to work together to keep the makeup on as long as possible. But this will help to prime your skin so that when you put your tinted moisturizer or your foundation or your CC cream or your BB cream or whatever you're putting on your face, it will then go on really smoothly. As long as you've exfoliated your skin first and given your skin the right sort of treatment, what the face base is going to do is it's going to help to drip feed the skin, it's going to plump the skin, and it's gonna basically prepare it for the most beautiful canvas for your makeup. So that is a great one. And this on its own is really expensive anyway, and I think I'm just trying to see, right, so this whole kit is £59.50. If you were to buy the product separately, it would all come to about £81.50. So it's a massive saving. So if you do like using these products a lot, then I'd highly recommend buying it as a gift, and then in the gift box, and then you can get lots of these and maybe gift them to people over the holiday season, which is quite nice. The next one is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Eye Base. So this moisturises the under eye area, it protects it, it smooths out the appearance of fine lines by helping to hydrate it by drip feeding the skin full of moisturiser, and also it helps to prime your under eye area. If when you wake up in the morning you do your skincare and then you go straight in with your under eye concealer, what you're going to find is that your concealer is not actually going to be sitting properly on your skin. It may start sitting where it doesn't want to sit, it may not last as long. So by putting your Enriched Eye Base on first, just like the Vitamin Enriched Face Base, you're going to be creating a lovely canvas underneath your eye to prime it for your concealer to then sit over the top. And I have done a test of using no primer, so no hydrating eye base, and then using it, and there's a huge difference. 100%. You get the longevity and you get the eye concealer sitting where it wants to sit. Sometimes if you find you don't use a good eye cream underneath, the concealer can start sitting in sort of like crevices, and you don't really want that look. The other thing about the Enriched Eye Base is that it's also very brightening for under your eyes as well. So if you're waking up in the morning, whether you've had a late night, whether it's through work, through your kids or whatever, you'll find that the eye cream, the eye base, is going to really help to brighten and lift your eyes. And as I always say in my videos, cheat your way to looking like you've had like 15 hours sleep. The other thing I like about it, which is why it goes kind of in conjunction with this as well, is that it helps to depuff your under eyes, which in the morning a lot of people can wake up with quite puffy eyes. So if you put that on, it does help to depuff it and just tighten, firm it and make it look great. And then if you want to, you know, in the morning, if you take this out of the fridge and put it on for 10 minutes, it will sort of work in harmony with each other. So that is my little Bobbi Brown primed for winter haul. Really go and get this because it is such a lovely gift. It will work with all skin types as well. Even if you've got a skin that's quite oily, you just use less in that area. So go and treat yourself to this one. Another Bobbi Brown product that I treated myself to, which I've just found out you now cannot get. You may be able to find it on certain websites or certain stores, but is the Lux Illuminating Powder by Bobbi. I mean, first of all, how amazing is that packaging? Look at that, it is just dreamy. I stood at the counter and was like, do I really need another highlighter? Do I? The answer is always need another highlighter, but I don't really need another highlighter. But the problem is I'm a sucker for anything that looks amazing in the packaging, then amazing on the interior, and then even more amazing inside. So I got sucked in, but it was in the sales, so that's great. So let's have a little read about this one on the back, because I don't actually know too much about it. So yeah, so it's a Lux Illuminating Powder that has been designed to sort of have that 3D effect on the of how the powder sits. You can probably see from the side how that powder sits. It's really, really lovely. The tone of it is sort of like a beigey tone. So that's how it comes out on my finger. Just pop that there. And if I put that on, I'll show you on the back of my hands and then I'll show you on my face, because this is going to be the first time I'm going to test it out. So that's the highlighter. Really, really lovely. And I think as well you can use it as an eyeshadow. I think it could be really pretty as an eyeshadow. In fact, let's just put it on. If you just want that sort of like champagne-y lift on the eyes, it's really nice. There we go. You could use it as a highlighter on the inner corners of the eyes, just to make your eyes go pop and brighten them. There we go. And then I'm gonna, let's just clean this brush up because I just had some blusher on it. Let's use it as a highlighter and see how it comes out on the skin. And it should just glide. You don't want to see highlighter sitting on the face. I mean, at the moment, I've gone for that sort of glossy glow. I've used my Egyptian Magic. I've got various other products on my skin where my skin is glowing anyway, so this is just going to enhance it. Always tap away any excess. I like using a little fan brush, something really, really small. You can go for whatever you have that's a small brush. And I don't want to go too low. I just want to, where the light is naturally catching is basically where you want to put your highlighter. So not under your eyes, not too far down, not down here, just where the light naturally catches and under here. So can you see how that's now enhancing what I have already? It's really, really beautiful. There is a big difference between the two sides, I think. Really, really lovely. If you can find it online, go and get it. But there must be a similar one that they brought out. And because this is powder going over a creamy product, anything that goes over a creamy product is going to intensify what you've got underneath anyway. So if you like that highlighted finish, always go for a creamy product first and then enhance it with a wee bit of powder. Okay, so that is the Lux Illuminating Powder by Bobbi Brown. Wow, it is so nice. So, and I got that in the sale. I think I was like 30% off or something, so that was a massive steal. I think when you go to the counters, like, have a little look around, because there are always products that are at the end of the line. So you can find them online, you can go down to any of your local shop, or you can even ask them if they've got anything that they're not selling anymore, that they may not have put out as well. So anyway, guys, there we go. That was my Bobbi Brown haul. It's been a while since I've purchased from Bobbi, and I have to say, apart from my face base, which I purchase all the time, but makeup wise, I absolutely love it. And I'm sorry if you can't get this product anymore, but I'm sure you'll find something very, very similar. Go buy this, go treat yourself, go see how amazing face base and under eye base is on you, and let me know in the comments below how you get on with it all. Have a super day, guys, and I will see you soon.